If you're experiencing issues with enabling multiplayer on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and then Test Connection to confirm that you have a stable connection. Step 2. Update software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch system software is up to date. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. Step 3. Verify Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Check that your Nintendo Switch Online subscription is active. Go to the Nintendo eShop, select your account icon, and verify your subscription status. Step 4. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select power options, and then choose Restart. Step 5. Check game settings. Ensure that the game you are trying to play supports multiplayer and that you have selected the correct multiplayer mode. Refer to the game's manual or online resources for specific instructions. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.